Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, we are going to look into Appsumo Black Friday Drop 1, which contains 5 different tools on lifetime deal from Appsumo. I'm going to spend 5 minutes each to talk about the importance of these tools, negatives, positives, and my experience so far. I've also planned on making several dedicated video reviews for the tools which I have experienced or I know that it is good fit for me to explain it better. So those videos will be also following up in this channel after this video. I will give a affiliate link in case if you wish to support me during this Black Friday in Appsumo. If you don't also no problem, I will do a non-referral link also. So if you wish to check out this Appsumo deals, you can find the links in the description. Okay, let me go one by one. First, it is Gumlet Video. The purpose of this product is a protected video player where if it does not make sense for just to have a blog and have this tool to embed the videos into it, but most of the time we use YouTube to embed videos within our blogs and social shares. But in a professional or business environment, YouTube videos will have ads and suggested videos. We do not actually have control over what we wish to show and what are the things we want to hide and how we control the video. That is where Gumlet comes into play. It is sort of like an alternative for something like Bunny, where we can do video hosting within this particular software itself. And you get so much control over how you view the content, how the content should perform, and protecting the content as well. It will be really useful for someone who's a course creator who wish to share their videos and want to do it in a safe and protective way. And also, if you are using it like me, sometimes for business, we can use this kind of a player within our business website to show what are the videos we want and keep that video player and video on brand. So once you logged into it, I just have a free account here. The reason I don't have a paid account with Gumlet is I already have a lifetime deal with Wave Video, which is another LTD deal which I got. So here you can see it has several different tabs. It is very easy to start using it. Once you can import the videos from any place which you already have, or just upload the local files here. Once you uploaded it, you get several options. You can create a group like a channel. Within the channel itself, you can include different videos into this particular list. I'll explain further, like creating a playlist option. Let's say, for example, we'll go one easy way. Like once you upload the video, this is how the video editing screen will look like. You can give a title, you can give a description, you can set the privacy option here. Tags for internal purposes. You can find the videos which you upload very well. Playlist. If you want to add this video to a particular playlist, you can create a playlist here and add it here. It will also show you views, impression, play time. All these details will be shown here. You also have the control to change the thumbnail here, which automatically generated from video, or you can upload anything from your own device. Then you also have an option to collect leads or forms within this particular page itself. It will be visible when you click on embed, and you can either make a embed copy here to share this video per file, or you have URL option. So this is the URL. It will look like this particular screen. You have the option if you already built a web page for course education and everything, you probably want to use embed feature, or if you want to just give URL, you can use this. During that time, you can use the form to collect leads and subtitles. As you mentioned within the video itself, you will see this subtitle CC option, where if you enable the caption, you can control which is the uh, title you want to have. So you can also create updated subtitles or add more subtitles also here. Audio track, same thing. If you want to have multiple audio track for the same video, you can choose the language and upload the track as well. Chapter is where within the video itself, it's almost like YouTube. If you have multiple chapters within the video, you can specify them with the timestamp and the name of the chapter, and it will automatically show those chapters in the video player itself. Then we have the option to add CTA. Like these are the CTA we can add within the video itself. For example, I tried adding a CTA. Let's say I want this CTA to be played at the third second. That's what I've controlled up to fifth second. And the goal is where to position is and open new tab. So what happens here is like when I play this video, after 3 seconds, automatically that button will come and it will open up that particular link which I click. So if you want to include hyperlink within the video, that is also possible. Then we also have comment on that. So that is what the details within the simple one video will look like. We also have the import video playlist where you can group multiple videos into one playlist. You have advanced control over the player, like from preloading the video on the page load. Do you want to autoplay the video? Do you want to loop the videos every time it's finished? Do you want to enable a download button? Do you want to show the title of the video in the embed? Allow the users to cast embed into other devices. These are for security reasons. Depending on your need, you can do that. Resume playback. So when the user returns the resume from where it is, good for educational videos. And advanced settings also disable seek bar, so prevent users from skipping through the video, especially good for educational material. Disable player controls and remove the remote once you got the LTD. Right now, dynamic watermark, like you want to prevent the users do screen recording and sharing unauthorized. So when you enable dynamic watermark, it is going to be changing dynamically, so you can exactly pinpoint which user recorded the screen recording and everything. And you have the player branding controls also, from player color, logo URL, logo link, where do you want to position is, logo width, and also advertising pixel IDs where you can enable multiple of this. Channel is where you can set up automatically the channel details. Like you can group multiple playlists, and you can see different playlist videos into one channel as well. For me, it is disabled since I am using a free account, but that option is also available. And how to make it a custom domain, so you can have a private YouTube channel within your network domain itself. And also you have some advanced security here where you can whitelist referrers. You can also make video privacy. You can block certain countries and prevent unauthorized access by generating limited URLs. Then we go into processing, where the output format, like what are the output format? Do you want to enable digital right management DRM to prevent unauthorized usage? You get all this extra summary as well, generate AI summaries and chapter automatically, and optimize video per title encoding. And you have collections and monitoring, where you see the reports and user analytics. To be honest, I don't have full experience with this tool. That's why I went through and tried to see all the features which is available and wanted to explain it to you. I personally use my lifetime deal video for this particular need because it does the job very well. If I need something different, I go with Bunny CD. So this is what Gumlet is currently doing within the Appsumo Black Fridays. Next, we will be looking into subscriber. This is one of the interesting tool for me, to be honest. And I have also planned a dedicated video for this because I wanted to show. You can see I have been testing since last week because I'm a YouTuber. I have both Tamil and English channel. I am a data guy, so this was very interesting to me. Basically, what this helps you, it is a version of something like vidIQ. Where vidIQ, I feel at more focused on data, numbers, and searches. Yeah, it's more aligned with logical component. So basically, what it helps you to do is it helps you with a lot of video creation within your website, because it tries to capture what I call storytelling. We can create videos. Everyone can create video. Even AI can create video. The core component is this tool will help you understand the target audience of our channel. It can create your persona and help you with video content creation. The first step is to start creating your script. I just gave my channel details to you. So what happens is it automatically made a full analysis on my channel. It showed me all the data. Like for example, whether you can resonate with this, because this is the core audience of this channel. I didn't provide any of this data. I just connected my YouTube channel. It automatically knew what my channel and found the data very accurately. Just 2 days ago, I created a video looking back into my Google Analytics and finding my target personas and everything. So it was really easy for me to verify both of this, the actual data which I saw in the YouTube Analytics versus the subscriber data. And you can see this persona consists of small business owner entrepreneurs who eagerly leverage SaaS tools, AI driven SEO to grow their business effectively. They seek honest, practical advice without marketing fluff, valuing data backed strategies to optimize digital marketing and streaming. Alston channels appeal to them because it offers clear tutorial trustworthy product review, actionable insight that help them to make informed decision and stay competitive. This is perfect, to be honest. The description it was able to do, and you can see it found the range, income range, education, psychography, values, attitude, offline behavior. You can see prefer lifetime deals, online behavior, SaaS tutorials, key questions of this. So what happens is now it has created an audience profile for my particular channel. Now whenever I try to do any scripts or ideas, for example, I go into script and I'm going to create script with bot. You can see automatically it is taken into this channel profile data into it. So even without doing anything, just click on plan next video. So you can see plan next video about, let's say, AI SEO. And when I do that, since that is a plan for this YouTube channel, it automatically will take that YouTube data, and also you can see it starts researching. It's almost similar to Chat GPT, to be honest, because it's very easy. That's a great direction based on your channel's past success. It has the past data because my SEO tutorials has been effective has been in my channel. So the most effective video for Alston Antony are timely reviews and specific tutorials about new AI. Your audience of small business owner entrepreneurs are looking for practical, honest ways to use AI, which is true. We need to avoid broad. You can see how it is changing. Like I just mentioned AI SEO. So it says don't create about what is SEO, you make it tailored. So you can see gives you 4 ideas which is tailored to my audience using the channel's proven title strategy. It's a keyword research angle, how to use a specific free AI to find profitable low competition keyword instantly. So the suggested title is the free AI tool that finds your best keyword, or content automation focus is where I create a step-by-step tutorial on using AI writer to create a full SEO optimized blog under 10 minutes. And it suggested me one. It comes up with keyword research angle, content optimization, technical SEO, as LTD review. And it gives me a clear idea on why this ideas work. So you can see the outliner alignment, audience focused, title packaging. So you can see it asking me, how should I go about it? You can just keep on like you can go into use different strategy mode. You can also just talk to it like Chat GPT. Every time it suggests you answer, it as the channel data. Let's say for example, you find one of this idea itself very interesting for me. So I want to go to the next step from here. Just click on this title and you automatically have said to the AI, okay, this is the title I want to go after. You can see it's a strong choice, the best keyword, it's the exact pain points of your audience, and it gives you a video concept refinement. You can see selection, the free AI tool. You can use Chat GPT, Llama 3, Google Keyword Plus Planner with AI prompting, lesson on free tools. So it's not just giving me random AI data, it is actually giving me the advice on how should I go about it, the angle, the tool selection, the next step on defining the script details. So you can see what are the things we need to do, and based on here also I can just take over any step. For example, I can say I want students. So you looking like I it automatically gave me, so I giving you a different idea, and based on it is going to be different. For example, you can see that's a significant shift in your audience from your usual business owner and entrepreneurs. Give me the risk associated with it, how we can bridge the gap. You can see it's very useful from a content creator point of view to do a scripting here as well. We can do this with a Google Notebook LLM also, but we need to provide all the data. We want to consistently update it on it. Then it will do a similar job, but this is specifically designed for the YouTube itself. So it gives you more structured every time depending on like just this section. It I never like for example this section. I never mentioned this as a YouTube video because this tool is developed for YouTube videos. It gives you the answers in the YouTube video itself. The scripting is the biggest or the primary value within this particular tool. We also have the channel. We can connect multiple channels. Within that, we have different categories. So we can group it. We can research stuff. We can add competitors. We can have different voice templates. All those things we can see. So you can see if I click on competitors, it's going to be showing me all my main competitors out. liner. You if you are using vidIQ and you are good knowing this matrix already, you have the different features. Like I can see big outliner videos within my niche space. We can set video length. So this is very good intel. So we can quickly find out something interesting. For example, if I do something like this, and see this is just got published in November 14 and it is already a 7.5x outliner. So I know this might interest my potential audience. So this is very good idea. You can also get this as a tips to your email inbox. So you can always stay updated with the new video ideas. So I don't want to be taking too long on this because it is a personal interest to me. I'll also quickly show you the other stuff and I'll go much more depth into my in-depth video review on the subscriber. So we have the trending outliner videos. We can also search all these things data from here. We also have tools section where we can give a video URL and it will break down the video and analyze what is good about it, what is bad about it. All those details will be shown you. It will generate description for you, which is SEO friendly and user friendly. It will also help you to come up with and analyze and brainstorm hooks, keyword research, title generated, tag generated, thumbnail grabber, and transcript generated. So those tools are available. I'll cover much more depth in my in-depth review video. So that is subscriber, which is a good tool in my honest opinion. Then we have deposit photos. This is a good tool because it's not just a SaaS, it's a stock image library. Every year this deal comes to Black Friday. It is a really good deal. But the problem I personally see, we are in a point in AI, like you think for yourself, whenever you needed a stock photo, how many times have you gone into a stock image library and search for it, or you use something like chat gpt or google and nano banana image generation to generate the images you want. So we are shifting to AI image generation where the stock image options are still valid but still it's not attractive. That is the reason you can see all the stock image players are bringing AI component into them. It is a really good deal. So if you're a person who want to get licensed images, you want to stay safe, you because deposit photo has a huge library. If you want something like that, then this might deal interest you. But personally, me, I have moved away from stock image library. Nowadays, I rarely go and search for any stock images. There are so many AI image generation tools, even free. Copilot, Google Nano itself, Chat, we can create good images within that. So I'm not going to go in depth on deposit photos just because from a personal experience, I moved away from stock image library. It is just a stock image library with advanced functionalities within several tools and AI generators, images, upscaler, all those good features also within that. So if it's interest to you, then it might be worth considering for you. Then we have Reap. This is also a tool which I am dedicatedly testing because it is a YouTube tool and I'm interested on it. I started testing 3 days ago and then I didn't have enough time. Probably I will start continuing testing right within today or tomorrow. Basically, the goal concept is many YouTube tools do it because it is one of the most effective way to make repurpose our main video which we are recording into multiple short form clips. Time is money. Can't like we used to record main video, then we do the manual editing or record it, re-record it again, and continuously do it for short forms, especially in a talking head video or podcast and everything. The problem is that we want to save the time and energy to create this short forms video because we know that short form videos are good for awareness and views, but not monetary reasons or actual meaningful way of any channels and everything. So we want these short form to be an introductory video to your main channel or goal. So that is where Reap come into the play, where basically what happens is you upload your main created video, and from that it is going to be creating short clips. It is going to be automatically finding these clips for you. It is automatically going to be adjusting the portions and everything, and finally giving you the captions and directly helping you to publish the video. As you can see, it has the generate clips option where I just clicked on it and give a main video URL. You can see I've already given it because it takes time. For this video, I think around 1 to 5 minutes, depending on your video URL here. They also have other features which I haven't not yet tested it, so I'll do the testing soon. But I tested this once I give this particular video, like this is one of my talking video. There are no tutorial or anything like that. It automatically helps me to identify all the information. It automatically grabs the transcript. It automatically finds certain interesting elements within the video from the words or phrases I'm using. Then it automatically helps me to generate a virality score and give me the description. And it will give you the description. I'm not sure why it's not loading. It should load. Basically, it generates anywhere from 3 to 9 different shots. You can see it's now loading. I don't know for what reason it was loading for me. So you can see it found the first, it found a 39-second video. It gave me the virality score and the social media post which I can use. The transcript of this particular ad, I can also view it. I have disabled sound. For some reason, this is very slow right now. Maybe because of the Appsumo Black Friday, so many people are using it. The server is load, but currently it's unable to use. The concept is here. Maybe by the time you check out this video, they can get this fixed, but it will generate from one main video all the sub videos which we can start using. Then from here, I can either download it or share it directly. So this is the core concept. It is going to be it for everyone because for some people, the job it does will be really good. There are so many paid tools, and people know the effectiveness of creating clips from their main videos. Some people will like it a lot. First, some people maybe this is something not interested to you. Then you might look into other options as possible as also because these kind of options are available in Descript. The video recording which I'm doing right now is not happening on Descript. I wish to show this video, this tool in more depth, but I'm unable to because it is very slow right now. I'll skip for now, maybe. Then I'll explain it if I get the chance to do the dedicated review without any problems. So the last one in the list is PhotoGPT. I was going to start test the tool to be honest. Then I noticed there is an onboarding procedure itself. So rather than showing this tool at the middle, why don't I show from the starting step? So you get a better idea. The core goal is to generate photos of you in multiple poses or photos of some model or something like that because there are so many AI influencer, faceless channels, faceless audiences, and everything. So that is where this comes into play. You might think this is not unique because we can do the same thing from Gemini. The differentiation here is we can upload multiple images to PhotoGPT and train the AI model to consistently deliver the same person in multiple varieties. So what they are essentially trying to do is they are training the AI with your images and give you more control. It's not needed for everyone. If you need some advanced control over AI image generation, this might be interesting to you. So the process works similar. You once you sign up, just select your gender of the model you want to create and what age group and eye color. Give a name for your model. In this case, I'm looking to create a image generation for myself. So I'll do that. And here you can see it is asking me to upload a set of videos. So I don't want to add group videos. I want to add images which have a clear face recognition in multiple different times. Let me upload them for here. So I have uploaded some images. You can see it's not the perfect image to be honest, but you can see I have uploaded several. Let me click on start model training. It's saying that it will cost this much. I need to upload at least 12 images, so I don't have the option to start it again itself. So a minimum of 12 images needed. So I just uploaded some duplicates. I'm not sure whether this is going to work or not. Otherwise, I have to stop this testing and show you later and start model testing. I end up on a paid plan subscription. I think I need to start buying it to start testing it. So the onboarding result looks like it. I'll try to get this also into it to cover a in-depth video. So you set up all the details here basically, then you get a set of tools. I stopped it in the wizard to show you the onboarding section. You get the options where you select the model. After I created this layer name will work here. I can select preset. I have different resolution and based on it, I can give various prompt or various settings. Then it will generate with my model selected into that characteristic. It also have advanced feature from editing images option, enhancing the images, removing the objects. I'll try to do a better job and show this to you in much better settings. But those are the deals right now with Sumo. There are 5 deals. I personally is looking forward. The most one excited is subscriber because it feels very interesting to me. Apart from that, Gumlet will be really useful for users who want advanced security and business focused video hosting. And deposit photos, not personally interested to me because, as I mentioned, I have moved into AI image generation. Stock image generation is no longer needed for me. If you want to do custom personalization for AI influencers or create a models to advertise your products and everything to an a consistent, you want to have consistency inside your image, you can use this. Or if you're looking for one-off stuff, you can use the free Gemini API, Google Nano Banana image model. It is also very accurate and free for users. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to showcase it in this video because the platform is very slow right now. Hopefully, I can fix this and try to do a better video for recap, subscriber, and